Hello, good morning to you all. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how we can create QR code for Google reviews. For example, if you own a business, a restaurant, a coffee shop, or a website or something like that, a school, whatever it may be, and you have created Google business profile, added your business on Google, and now if you want to uh, create this Google review link so that you can easily provide to the customers for your business to be rated. So you can create a QR code. I'll show you. See here on my Chrome, this is on my laptop. I have signed in into my Gmail and I'll search for the my business name. This is my business name, Tech Answer, which is a website, and I created Google profile on this with this name, and it is showing up your business on Google. If you don't know how to create this, I'll drop link in the description. You can check for that. And once it is loaded, see here, this is my business profile, and first I need to get Google reviews link so that I can convert that review link into a QR code. See here, remember, only if you log in with this email, then only this settings or these options will be visible to you. So make sure that. And now you click to read reviews. You need to click on read reviews, and here you will get the actual Google reviews link for your Google business. So you need to click on get more reviews, and you need to copy this Google review link for your website, and you need to visit a website called qrstuff.com. So here you can click on this website URL. See here, as this is the one of the website URL, and here you need to paste this Google review link and then scroll a bit down and click on next step here. When you click on next step, this QR code is created and you can click on download as PNG. So it will be downloaded to your laptop. You just need to open that. I'll just double click and open this one. With my phone, I'll scan this and I'll show you the results. Yes, I'm just continuing the tutorial with the phone. I want to scan the QR code created for Google review link. I'll open Google Lens and I'll scan this QR code. I'll search. See, I'll click on this link. This should open the Google review link. See here, directly the customer can rate the product or restaurant or whatever it may be, the service or anything. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.